In this video, I'm going to show you how to export and download your emails from Gmail. Let's launch the Google Chrome web browser. In the top right corner, click on Gmail. Now, you have to know that Gmail doesn't have any built-in program to export your email, so we will use an extension for this. Let's take a new tab. In the search bar, search for Chrome Web Store. Click on the first search result. In the top search bar, type in Mail Meteor. This is the extension we are looking for. In this menu, click on Add to Chrome. In the pop-up, click on Add Extension. After the extension is added, it will automatically take you to your inbox. There should be a pop-up about the extension. Let's close it. Now, in the top menu, you can see a new option called Export. If I click on this, it will export all of the emails from my inbox. Let's click on it. In the pop-up, you can select the amount of mail you want to export. You can select your email for all time, for today only, for the last 7 days, and for the last 30 days. I will leave it as it is and click on Export. A pop-up should appear asking you to sign in to the extension we just added. In the pop-up, click on Sign In. Now, sign in to the extension using your Gmail ID. After you have signed in, a pop-up should appear telling you that your exported file will be delivered to you through an email. After a few moments, you should receive an email containing your exported file. Open the email. In the email, click on Download Export. Save the file. Let's see the file now. This is the CSV file we just exported. If I open this, you can see that all emails from my account have been exported. Following these steps, you can export your emails easily.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.